Make money daily on Spotify for free in 2026. Did you know that thousands of people are making money daily on Spotify without spending a dime? Yes, you heard that right. In just a few minutes, I will reveal how you can tap into this goldmine and start earning today. No investment needed. Are you ready to unlock this hidden potential? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into a fantastic opportunity that's just waiting for you to grab it. Whether you're a musician, a podcaster, or someone with a passion to share, Spotify has opened its doors for you to monetize your content effortlessly. But wait, before we get into the nuts and bolts of making money on Spotify for free, let's break it down step by step. Spotify is not just a music streaming service, it's a thriving ecosystem that allows creators to share their passions while getting rewarded in the process. So how does it all work? When you put your music or podcast on Spotify, you're entering a platform that boasts over 500 million users. That's a massive audience. By tapping into this, you can generate income based on how often your content is streamed or downloaded. But more importantly, there are multiple ways to maximize your earnings without spending a penny. This one's a no-brainer. If you want to stand out and succeed, you have to start with great content. The first step to making money is to create high-quality content, whether it's music, a podcast, or even a video series. If you're a musician, we want to hear your original songs. Don't be afraid to share your unique sound with the world. If you're a podcaster, pick topics that resonate with current trends or issues your audience cares about. Remember, originality is key. Your voice and perspective matter. Now, I know some of you might be saying, but I'm not a professional artist. That's totally okay. Well, here's your first pattern interrupt. Even amateur creators are making thousands. The playing field is more open than ever. What matters more is your passion and authenticity, things that can't be faked. Audiences connect with realness, so let your true self shine. Once you've created your content, it's time to get the word out. Use platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter to promote your music or podcasts. Show behind-the-scenes snippets or sneak peeks that make people curious. Engage with your potential listeners. This is where you build your community. Here's an interesting tip. Consider doing live Q&As or releasing teasers of upcoming episodes on your socials. Studies show that engagement boosts your visibility exponentially. Collaboration is the name of the game. Find other creators in your niche and propose joint projects. This not only expands your audience reach, but also enriches your content. Imagine merging your unique style with someone else's. Magic happens. Not to mention both your audiences will cross paths. Think about it. If you're a musician, partner with a podcaster who covers lifestyle topics related to your music genre. Your collaboration could spark a series that fans of both would love. Are you ready for the game changer? If you're serious about growing your music career, this is a step you can't afford to skip. Sign up for Spotify for Artists. It's quick, easy, and completely free to get started. This powerful tool gives you deep insights into who's listening to your music, where your listeners are located, and how they're discovering you, whether it's through playlists, search, or recommendations. You can update your artist profile, share your story with fans, and even pitch your latest songs to official Spotify playlists. Yes, getting onto playlists is a massive way to boost your streams and reach new listeners. But hold on, here's another pattern interrupt. This could change everything for you. Did you know that songs featured on curated playlists get over 10 times the streams of the average song? That's a huge difference. Pitching to playlists can truly be your golden ticket to more exposure and fans, so always put your best songs forward and make every pitch count. Once you've built an audience, think about diversifying your income streams. Offer merchandise like t-shirts, mugs, or digital downloads. Use Spotify's integration with platforms like Merchbar to get started easily. Crowdfunding is another creative way to raise funds. Use platforms like Patreon, where your most ardent fans can support you financially in exchange for exclusive content. Loyalty breeds loyalty, and you'd be surprised at how many people would be willing to support you if they love what you do. While this step involves some investment, you can start with a small budget and promote through platforms like Facebook or Instagram to get noticed quickly. This allows you to target specific demographics that would resonate with your content. Think of it like putting your work in front of the right eyes, rather than just anyone scrolling through. However, if you prefer a free approach, focus on organic growth from collaborations and social media engagement. The key here is patience. Building momentum takes time. The final step, keep analyzing your stats. See which songs or episodes perform better, which platforms bring in the most traffic, and adjust your content and strategies accordingly. Use Spotify for Artists to track what's working and what isn't. It's like having a map leading you to treasure. Your treasure being fans and income. Staying current with trends and tweaking your approach will help you keep your content fresh. People like a creator who's evolving, so don't be afraid to switch things up from time to time. To wrap all of this up, remember, your journey as a creator is unique, and every step you take adds to your story. Creating content on Spotify's platform doesn't require a significant upfront investment. Instead, it's about investing your time, energy, and passion into something you truly care about. It requires creativity, patience, and consistency, qualities that grow stronger with every episode you release. It's about telling your story authentically, sharing your perspective, and connecting with your audience in a meaningful way. By focusing on building your brand and cultivating an engaged community, you can turn this platform into a profitable venture. But wait, what's this? Another pattern interrupt. Did you know that consistent quality content can lead to passive income streams, even while you sleep? Yes, once you create a notable piece, it continues to earn even years later as new listeners discover it and share it with others. Your hard work can keep paying off. So let's summarize. First, make quality content that stands out. Second, tap into social media to grow your reach and connect with new fans. Third, leverage collaborations and Spotify for Artists to expand your opportunities. Fourth, explore merchandising and crowdfunding to diversify your income streams. Lastly, always adapt and analyze your progress for continued growth and long-term success. The opportunities are endless, and the time to start is now. That's right, don't procrastinate. Your next hit, your voice, or your stories could be just around the corner. Remember, countless creators have started from scratch and are now thriving. So what's stopping you? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and drop a comment below telling us what your music or podcast is about. And remember to subscribe and turn on notifications for more tips on unlocking financial opportunities online. Until next time, keep creating.